Previous video we have seen the detailed definition of the cloud computing and types of the cloud computing. In this video we will see the short definition of the cloud and difference between public cloud and private cloud. Now see, actually few of the student has asked me that let's say suppose they have connected the two computers, then is it cloud? If they are sharing the resources, that means suppose they have a star topology, suppose they or they have a ring topology, that means they have connected their computer in ring manner or star manner or the tree or the bus topology manner, and they are sharing something, so that one is a cloud. So I just to give that answer, just I have drawn this figure that it is not a cloud. To be a cloud means for a cloud there should be a data center. So here I have written there should be a data center. This data center may be at a different location. That means it is not compulsory that all the computers should be kept of a data center should be kept at only one location. They may be at different location, but there should be a data center where all these things should be kept. Means the resources which you want to share, okay, that should be kept. And resource sharing, that means they should be share the resources in elastic base. Elastic means stretchable, that means as on demand, as per demand over internet, or means as per demand. Here I does not have written the over internet because in case of the private cloud there may be an intranet, and in case of the private cloud billing as utility may not be a true. Okay, in case of the public cloud everything from this figure should be true. Again, in case of the private cloud, because in private cloud we are not paying bill, okay, just we are using that one. So in case of the private cloud this will be not true. Okay. Otherwise everything will be true, and if everything is true, then and then only it can be a cloud computing. So it should be elastic, that means your demand can be increased or your demand can be decreased, and your or whatever the system that you have developed that can accommodate your demand in elastic manner and on demand. That means suppose suddenly you are asking for the 10 more GB or 500 more GB space, then they should able to provide you. That one is on demand. And suddenly you are saying that I does not want this one, then they will roll back that one, or they will take that services from you. And billing as utility, that means in case of the public cloud, this one is true. That means it is available to the common people, and based on their utility they have to provide these billing, or they will be charged as per their utilization. That one is a billing as utility, and that one is known as a cloud computing. If you want a detailed information of this one, that means so you can refer my video one, or still if you have a doubt, let's say still, because resource sharing, suppose if you refer some book, then they are saying resource sharing with the virtualization, but I'm not going in detail of the virtualization over here, so does not have written. But if you have a doubt in the definition of the cloud itself, so you can write in my comment section, or you can ask me through any means if you can write me through the comment section, and I will reply that what is actually answer of that one. Now the difference: external cloud means public cloud is known as a external cloud, and private cloud is known as a internal cloud. If you have remember our previous video, then at that time the public cloud, like suppose Amazon Web Services is a public that provides the public cloud. Public cloud means anyone from all over the world they can ask for the services based on the charge, or you can say monthly charge, or based on the subscription, and it is available to everyone. So it is a public cloud, or you can say it is external cloud. That one is available to external world. Okay, and private cloud is available to internal world. What is the their internal world? Internal world means people of that organization who owned that particular cloud. So that one is a internal cloud. Now it is, as I said, it is a publicly available, and this one is a internally or privately or available to the only those user who works in a organization. Organization means anything who have you can say established this private cloud, and they have made this one or established this one or invested this one for their own purpose. Let's say Google has some private cloud, and only the people or the staff of Google can use that one. So that one is a private cloud. And let's say Google App Engine provide the services to all over the world. So that cloud, both will be different. That cloud will be a public cloud. Okay. Now it's available over the internet. It means external means public cloud is available to everyone over the internet, and this one is available, may be available on the internet or the intranet, local intranet, or the private network of that organization. They provide the weaker security. How? Let's say suppose you have kept your useful or valuable information, and you are doing the security of, means you are doing the security of your own thing. Then 100% that security is more higher than the security, that means public cloud security, because here you have given your valuable information to someone else, and you are giving the charges to them. That means you are paying for that one, and based on the trust that as you have subscribed for the services, they will not leak your security. We believe means it's a believe. Okay, that means it might be possible that there may be leakage of the security through something else, through the channel, or means there are lots of medium through the security through which the security can be leaked. So the security of the public cloud is less as compared to the private cloud. So why it is less suitable for less confidential data, and this one is suitable for the high confidential data. Initial investment cost is reduced. So what they want to say, initial investment cost is reduced from user point of view. Okay, let's say some service provider are providing the services, and let's say you have some small startup or the business organization, and suddenly you are in need of the 50 another computers. So instead of purchasing that 50 another computer, just you can hire that one from the public cloud. You can use it, and whenever you does not require, you can unsubscribe from the services, and you have to pay for those day only, means for those duration during which you have used the services. So in that sense that public cloud cost is reduced. And in case of the private cloud, as the organization is doing the investment, they are purchasing everything, they are maintaining, even they are hiring the staff or the people who maintain their cloud, or they are hiring some third party who are doing everything for them. So initial investment cost for the private cloud is more. Public cloud provides the illusion of the infinite elastic resources. That means they give you the illusion that you have an infinite number of the resources. Infinite number of the resources, actually it is not true, but infinite, that means the capacity of the data center is too high. That means you can ask the infinite resources, and they will provide you. And but ultimately, that means ultimately it is depends on the capacity of the service provided, but their capacity is too high. That means this, whatever the data center they have made, its capacity is too high, and you can ask the services as you want. And elastic means it can be increased or the decrease as per your demand. Provide an elastic, that means it can be elastic means increase and decrease, or it is a stretchable form. But finite resources, that means finite resources means here the capacity is based on the capacity of the organization's local data center. That means if the organization's data center's capacity is high, then or it is less, so based on that capacity only people or the user can ask for the resources. Initial, as we have said, that initial investment is not needed, and need initial investment managed by the CSP. Service provider here, cloud service provider, CSP, that is cloud service provider, managed by the organization or by third party. Support multiple customers means they are supporting the different customer from all over the world. That customer may be a individual person, or student, staff, faculties, or some organization, or you can say some small company, anything. That means they supports different kind of the multiple customer, and they supports the dedicated customer. Dedicated customer means customer or the user who are from that organization. That means, let's say Google are using private cloud to maintain their own internal information, and only that cloud can be accessed by only the people of that organization, so that will become private cloud. And suppose they are using the Google App Engine, and let's say suppose we are Google App Engine, or let's say suppose you are using the Google Docs, so everyone can use that one, so that will become that one is from their public cloud. That means that one is open to all based on the subscription. So private, it's a dedicated customer. Their customer is not everyone. Their customer is from that organization only, or the person who have authority to access their private cloud. That one is a dedicated customer. Maintenance is not required because it is done by CSP. In case of the public cloud, maintenance is done by CSP, so it is not required. Here maintenance is required. Data transfer speed is limited to speed of internet. That means if your speed of internet is too low, so the you can say effectiveness of the public cloud is less, and in case of the private cloud, it's a high because it's based on their local internet speed, and they will manage it that how it can be accessed properly. So this one is a basic difference of the public versus private cloud. Still, if you have thank you for watching my video, and if you have any query regarding this video or any another two videos, then also you can write in the comment section. I will try to reach you soon. Thank you for watching my video.